Of the 751 MEPs that have been elected into the European Parliament, well over half of them are brand new faces who've never taken a seat in this House before. So here on The Brief from Brussels, we've been talking to a few of them, new MEPs taking their seats for the first time. We all know the feeling, riding the train to the first day in our new job. But most of us would have been interviewed, not elected. Damien Boeselager is one of around 400 brand new members of the European Parliament heading in to take their seats for the next 5 years. He's been elected from Germany.
There's a huge welcome village, a place where you give all your data, you receive your badge, the new parliamentarians are welcomed, and within the parliament it's perfectly well organized. There's like different stages of onboarding.
New to politics, he's arriving at the European Parliament with no political group or party friends to connect with. He's the first ever elected MEP for the Europe-wide Volt Party, which campaigns for the EU to become a federal state.
Many of us were not like the biggest federalists before we started Volt, but we just realized that, as I said, the big topics like climate change, even youth unemployment, and migration and asylum can only be solved if we find European solutions, and that's why we need a functioning and democratic European governance.
The actual first day of business for the 751 MEPs will be July the 2nd, when the first full House will sit in Strasbourg. For the fresh faces, there's a month to find their way.
First of all, learning how to go around in the European Parliament, which is not easy. I got lost at least 3 times today. But the basis of the European politics is to have friends, alliance, to have people who are thinking alike. That's the way how you can achieve your goals. So the next few days are about talking, looking for friends, looking for alliance, deciding where to sit and what to do.
The MEPs will have to decide which political committees they'll sit on and who will be the Parliament's next president. Then they'll be voting to approve the candidate the EU governments put forward to lead the European Commission, considered to be Europe's top job. In addition to that, they'll also be grilling and voting on whether to approve each of the new EU commissioners, who'll be suggested by their national governments. Jack Parrock, Euronews, Brussels. An official EU petition calling to ban all cages on farms in Europe has reached 1 million signatures. It means the European Commission is now forced to look into the matter. The Animal Rights Initiative is supported by a network of over 170 organisations across Europe. The EU and its member states should be prosecuted for the deaths of thousands of migrants drowned in the Mediterranean. That's according to a legal submission by a group of lawyers to the International Criminal Court. The submission doesn't clarify which individuals should face the charges, though. Russian officials are telling judges in The Hague that Moscow hasn't been involved in racial discrimination in annexed Crimea. Ukraine filed the case at the International Court of Justice in 2017, accusing Russia of violating international law. Moscow challenges the jurisdiction of the UN's top court.